Good morning. Welcome to Bayho Backyard Gardener. Today we're going to learn how to feed some plants. So we have 4 ingredients here that I like to start out with. You can add more, but these are like 4 base that I would use as a beginner. First we have blood meal. We've got crab meal, shrimp meal, and langbeinite. When choosing the correct food for your plants, you're going to want to choose the correct amounts of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphate. As you see the 3 numbers on all these boxes, the first number represents nitrogen, the second number represents potassium, and the third number represents phosphate. At the beginning of the plant's stage of life, you're going to want to give it a lot of nitrogen. As it starts growing older, it's going to start needing more potassium, and then towards the end it's going to require a lot of phosphates. You can see the langbeinite has 22 parts, which is pretty highly concentrated in phosphates. Both the crab meal and the shrimp meal have a nice balance of nitrogens and potassiums, which will be great for the majority of the plant's life. Here in this bowl, we've got the crab meal right here, we've got the shrimp meal diagonal, we've got the langbeinite right here, and then we've got the blood meal right here. I'm just going to mix all these up here. It may take some time to get it to a nice consistency. Well mixed, I would say. Got some plants here, some pepper plants, strawberry, and there's a green red pepper and a jalapeno actually. And all we're really going to be doing is pouring some over the top here. Just mixing her in. The boxes recommend the top 3 inches of the pot, so I try not to go too deep. Don't want to mess with the root system. And that's about it. Just water it in. This is a simple way to feed your plants pretty quickly, and you could just save this for later and feed it often. But I'd make sure just to watch your plants, make sure they're not showing any signs of over fertilization, or you're going to need to water that stuff out. But yeah, thanks for tuning in to Bayho Backyard Gardener.